Hello student, I am Manoj Kumar Dev, science teacher of Neora High School. Today I brought a video on the topic distillation and fractional distillation. This topic belongs to the chapter 2, chapter 2nd of class 9. In this video discuss about the separation of component of homogeneous mixture, that is the solutions of another types of salt and two miscible liquid, and how the components are mixture, that is the homogeneous mixture component of homogeneous may be separated. Last video we discussed about the separation of components of heterogeneous mixture, that is the centrifugation process and chromatographic, and we also discuss about the various types of, that is the winnowing and loadings, various process, that is the separation for the components of heterogeneous mixture. We will discuss in this video, we discuss about the separation of components of homogeneous mixture. That is the example which most common example, distillation and fractional distillation. Here the distillation is the process of separation of a specific substance from a liquid mixture by evaporating and subsequently cooling into the separate chamber. There are different types of distillations process, which are different types of distillation, that is simple distillation and fractional distillations, steam distillation, vacuum distillation and azeotropic distillation. But we will discuss about today in this video only simple distillations and fractional distillation. Simple distillation defined as simple distillation is the process of converting liquid into the vapor, which is then passed through the condenser to convert the vapor to liquid again. Condensers are used to cool the vapor and collect it to the receiver. It consists of a distillation flask attached to a condenser and a receiver to collect the distillate. A thermometer is fitted to the distillation flask to note the temperature. The distillation apparatus is normally made of glass or metal. It is similar to the evaporating still method. No. Here the full diagrams of distillation process is given here. You can see easily here the flask, it is the condenser, and the liquid that is separately collected in the receiver, that is the conical flask. Here we discuss about. Here a liquid mixture is heated in a conical flask, the round bottom flask also. This leads to the evaporations of the liquid with low boiling point first. That means when taken the mixture of alcohol and water, then the first alcohol is evaporated, and after all the alcohol is evaporated, then the temperature is raised after 78 degrees Celsius, and then the water is separated. The vapor is allowed to cool while passing through the cooling chamber. The resultant liquid from the cooled vapor is collected in the separating flask. It should be noted in mind that temperature difference of the two components must be greater than the 25 degrees Celsius, and there is a far difference between the two miscible boiling temperature of the two miscible liquid, because if the temperature boiling point of the components are very similar, then we use the very less difference, then we use the fractional distillation. But here the difference of the boiling point of a component is greater than the 25 degrees Celsius. So the first liquid the low boiling point is separated, and then after separating the low boiling point component, then the rest is the another component is separated successively. Next, here the application of the distillation process is preparation of organic liquid, separation liquid from the non-volatile solid, preparation ether, amyl nitrate, and spirit of the nitrous ether, preparation of distilled water. Here the also pharmaceuticals application, extraction of volatile oil from the vegetable drugs, separation of volatile substances from less volatile impurities, separation of one liquid from one more other liquid, differing from their water vapor pressure. These are the application of distillation process. Now here another important information is that what is the difference between the evaporation and distillation. In this process, evaporation, the process of vaporizations of solvent from a solution to get the concentrated product. That the evaporation in which only residue is obtained after evaporating the liquid that dissolve the solute. Then after evaporation we get the solute that left behind after evaporation. Distillation is the separation of the constituent of the liquid mixture by vaporization and again condensation. In the evaporation, the vaporized component is not condensed. We only get the solute that is dissolved in the liquid, but in the distillation, again the vaporized gaseous form of the component is condensed and formed liquid form. Here, vapors are not collected. Here the vapor are condensed and collected. Concentrated product is obtained after evaporation. The concentrated product is obtained after evaporation. Distillate is obtained after distillation in this process, and are used for the obtaining concentrated product and the removing impurities. Use the separation of purification of liquid from the mixture. Now these are differences of the evaporation and distillation. Here another example, the types of distillation is the fractional distillation. It is used for the separating the component of a miscible liquid which boiling points are difference of the boiling point of the component is less than 25 degrees Celsius, that is 25 Kelvin. Here fractional distillation is a method used for the separation of component of mixture, separation of components of containing two miscible liquid. The boiled liquid that boils without the decompositions have the sufficient difference in their boiling point but less than the 25 degrees Celsius. The decomponents essential for using the method are two liquids must be miscible as they are totally mixed with each other. The difference between the boiling point of the liquid should be greater than the 25 degrees Celsius. Here the schematic diagrams of the distillation surfactants is given here. In this diagram it is given that apparatus used for the fraction it is the same as the distillation process, but one special apparatus is used there, that is the condensers, here in which the glass bead is used to make the expand the surface for the condensation. Here fractionating column is taken here, one the important apparatus fractionating column, and a condenser is also taken here, and distillation flask and mixture of acetone and water. Acetone and water is taken for the separation of the component in the process of fractional distillations. Here this is similar to the simple distillation with the only addition of a fractional column which is filled with the glass bead that make the surface of the condensation, more surface of that provide the more surface for the condensation of the vapor. This column is present between the flask and the condenser. The column helps the convert some of the vapor back to the liquid, which then back to the vial, that vial into the vial. This process leads to the escape only the vaporable portion into the condenser. Thus, the procedure helps in the obtaining the pure form of the substance than achieved by the simple distillation. In this process, the components are separated more extent, and more pure component are separate. Here, some specification of the fractional distillation is a mixture of the two miscible liquid. It is also given the mixture of two immiscible liquid can be separated by using the separating equipment that we discussed in the last video for the separation of the component heterogeneous mix. The separation of two immiscible liquid by separating fluent depend on the basis of different of their density. But for the fractional distillation, it is applicable of the two liquid miscible liquid which has some considerable boiling point difference. Here the fractional distillation is used for the separate the mixture of miscible liquid like the alcohol and water, mixture of acetone and water, mixture in the level. It is used for the separate the crude oil, petroleum into the useful fractional such as kerosene, petrol and diesel etc. These are the basic difference between the distillation and fractional distillation and application of distillation process. Okay student, next video will come with another topic. Thank you.